This video blog talks about next generation privacy. And I have to note that last week an interesting article came out in the Seattle Times. The topic was unmanned drones that the police are planning to use to monitor traffic conditions and other elements within the city. Well, immediately there was a response from the populace. The American Civil Liberty Unions got involved, also the Electronic Frontier. And the question here is how far the police will be able to go with unmanned drones. Now, it's a really interesting cusp that we're sitting at right now because law traditionally drags technology. And so the privacy guidelines that come along with some of the smarter technologies have yet to be defined. It's cases and challenges such as the ACLU and here with Seattle that will likely determine some of the case law and the guidelines that ultimately will comprise the real law. Where that ends up, nobody knows. We're dealing with a generation of younger Americans who don't have the same privacy constraints, or at least don't appear to, as some of the older generations. They readily can share information, and they're comfortable collaborating on internet and other mechanisms. And yet there's always the possibility, as some of these new technologies set in, that there could be a course correction to some of the more liberal views on privacy. So it's a very interesting time for both the dispense of smart technology as well as what the law is going to say about it. It likely will describe what next generation privacy is going to look like.